I was just sent this set of sticky push-up bra inserts to review from Embab, so we're gonna try them out and see how they do. Embab makes you more confident. We shall see. I guess that's one set, and the other set. It says they will instantly increase 2 cup sizes, which I am a little skeptic. I am 42. These bad boys have breastfed 3 babies, so these will have their work cut out for them. Oh my, they are quite thick. Shaped very interesting, so they're thin up here. Inside the box, you've got really detailed instructions, including what they will work with and what they will not work with. So you do need some sort of boning structured bra or shirt or dress or whatever. You can't wear stretchy material or very loose material. You need the structure to support these. There is a left and right. The shape is different. And then here's how you're gonna do it. Insert the cutlet to your bra or clothes, not your skin. Adjust the breast to create the cleavage on both sides, and boom, appearing up to 2 cup sizes bigger. Let's give it a try. We're gonna open it up. It's really, really sticky feeling though. So here is the inside. You can see the shape of that. So this one is gonna be going in here to push it up. The inside part is gonna be really thin. So here we go. Don't mind me. All right, well, hello. I feel like I'm breastfeeding again with the lopsidedness. That's definitely, wow. That really lifted and added some volume for sure. Okay, now I just feel silly. So let me get the other side in. These are not like those little sticky cutlets that you can use instead of a bra. These are more like a padded bra insert that is sticky, so it's not gonna fall out of place. These are gonna stick in there and stay put while adding volume. There is a letter at the top, R and L, so that's gonna tell you which one is right and left. And so let's get this one in there now. Definitely see a large volume increase. I feel like I am breastfeeding again. So yeah, these are really easy to use. They're not gonna fall out of place. That adhesive is really strong. Your skin's gonna stick to it, but it peels away nicely, like no pain or anything, and there's no residue once you peel it off your bra or your top, whatever, your skin. Doesn't leave a residue. Just make sure to take note, you can't use these as a bra. You have to use them with a bra or supportive top. They need that structure, and they're just literally just adding volume because it's padded, and the design is gonna like lift you up in that direction, and then the bra is gonna support that all, and they are sticky so they will stay in place. Here is how they're gonna look on the inside of your bra. They really, really stick nicely and stay in place. And then when you're done, you're just gonna peel them off. And I'll show you, like, just for example, when you peel them off, they are stuck to your skin too, but it's very gentle. You're gonna wash with warm soapy water to remove any residue, and then air dry. Then you can use them again and again. I love these from Embab, and I know you will too.